Have you seen these mesmerizing, oddly satisfying glass fruit videos all over your social media? They get millions of views, and they look like they were made in a professional Hollywood studio. What if I told you that you could create an entire library of these videos right now without any complex software, totally free, and that they are fully monetizable? In this video, I'm going to give you the complete step-by-step guide to creating viral AI glass ASMR videos using a secret tool inside Canva. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Alright, let's dive right in. This process has 4 simple steps: getting the right Canva account, unlocking the secret AI tool, generating the perfect video prompts using a special master prompt that I've created for you, and finally, creating and exporting our video. Step 1. Getting your free Canva Pro account. First, to use Canva's AI video generator, you need a Canva Pro account. Now, before you click away, the title says free, and I mean it. Canva often offers a 30-day free trial for new users, which is more than enough time to create dozens of these videos. To get started, click the link in the description to get 1 full month of access to every Pro feature. Just click Try now for $0 and follow the simple steps. You can cancel any time before the trial ends so you won't be charged. Now, for a more long-term free solution, there's an alternative method. If you are a student or a teacher, you are likely eligible for a free Canva for Education account, which gives you all the Pro features for free, indefinitely. I have a separate full tutorial showing you exactly how to apply for and get that account. I've also put the link to that video in the description below for you to check out. So go ahead and activate your Pro access right now using either the 30-day free trial, which I recommend for everyone, or the Education account if you're eligible. Welcome back. Now that you have your Pro account, there is one crucial step. You need to unlock the AI video generator. Go to your account settings in Canva, find the language section, and make sure you select English US. This is the key that ensures the AI video generator works perfectly. After, click on Canva AI, then choose Create a Video Clip. Currently, it supports 16:9 aspect ratio and each clip is 8 seconds. Step 3. The master prompt for ChatGPT. The secret to getting incredible results from AI is giving it an incredible prompt, and I've done the hard work for you. I've crafted a master prompt that tells the AI exactly what to do. I'm putting this entire master prompt in the video description so you can just copy and paste it yourself. Here's the prompt. All you have to do is copy and paste it into ChatGPT and then change the fruits listed inside the brackets. For this tutorial, we're going to use strawberry, apple, orange, grape, and pineapple. And just like that, ChatGPT is now writing 5 unique detailed cinematic prompts for us, 1 for each fruit. These are our prompts for our ASMR videos. Step 4. Generating and downloading your videos. Now for the fun part. Let's go back to ChatGPT and copy our very first prompt, the one for the strawberry. Now, head over to Canva, paste the strawberry prompt into the box and click Generate Video. The generation may take up to 1 to 2 minutes. And there it is. Let's take a look. It's a hyper-realistic glass strawberry. It's on the wooden cutting board, and the slice is perfectly smooth and jelly-like with no shattering. This is a perfect result. To download it, simply click on the download option above the video. Your first monetizable video is now ready. Now, to create the rest of the videos, we just repeat the process. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the next prompt, go back to Canva, paste it in, and generate. Done. You just keep doing this for all the prompts ChatGPT gave you. In a few minutes, you can have a whole week's worth of content. And just like that, you have professional, viral-worthy AI glass ASMR videos ready to be posted on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. If this tutorial helped you out, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. It really helps the channel. And be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video, where I'll be exploring more AI video hacks.